Assalamu alaikum, my dear students. How are you all? I think you are all well by the grace of Almighty Allah. Welcome to NIAVS Home School. I am Yamin Apu, an assistant teacher of mathematics, National Ideal English Version School morning shift. Dear students, I am going to take a higher mathematics class today for the student of class 9. Our today's topic is exercise 2, question number 8. Only one question we will solve today. Our lecture number is 39 for the half yearly examination. You have no homework today. Okay, so let's start our class, my dear students. Its question number is 8 from exercise 2. Okay, if 1 by a cube plus 1 by b cube plus 1 by c cube, that's equal to 3 divided by abc, show that bc plus ca plus ab equal to 0, or a is equal to b is equal to c. We need to prove this one or this one. Okay, so let's start. It's given that it's 1 divided by a cube plus 1 divided by b cube plus 1 divided by c cube, that's equal to 3 divided by a b c. Now 3 divided by a b c we will transfer in the left side in this equation. Then we will form the formula of a cube plus b cube plus c cube minus thrice abc. Okay, now transfer this 3 divided by abc in the left side. We will have 1 by a cube plus 1 by b cube plus 1 by c cube minus thrice divided by a b c, that's equal to 0. This 3 divided by a b c will take minus sign because in the right side this was positive sign. That's why if we transfer this one in the left side, it will take as a negative sign, the opposite sign of plus. Okay, now we will form the formula of a cube plus b cube plus c cube minus thrice abc. Okay, it's 1 divided by a whole cube. This means 1 by a cube. 1 by cube means 1 divided by a whole cube, plus as like this one we can write down 1 by b whole cube plus 1 by c whole cube, that's equal to 1 by c cube. Okay, minus 3 into 1 by a into 1 by b into 1 by c. Okay, this one equal to 3 divided by abc, that's equal to 0. Now we can form the formula, the second formula of this chapter. The formula is a cube plus b cube plus c cube minus thrice abc, that's equal to half of a plus b plus c into a minus b whole square plus b minus c whole square plus c minus a whole square. So here is, in the place of a we should write down 1 by a, in the place of b we should write down 1 by b, and in the place of c we should write down 1 by c. Okay, now a plus b plus c, half of a means 1 by a, plus b means 1 by b here, and c means 1 by c. Okay, into a minus b whole square, a minus b, a means 1 by a, b means 1 by b, a minus b whole square like this, plus b minus c whole square, b minus c whole square plus c minus a, c means 1 by c minus a means 1 by a whole square. Okay, this is our formula. A cube plus b cube plus c cube minus thrice abc is equal to half of a plus b plus c into a minus b whole square plus b minus c whole square plus c minus b whole square. In the right side we have 0, that's equal to 0. Okay, now from this equation we can write down what? Look, my dear students, if x into x minus y is equal to 0, then what can we write down? We can write down x equal to 0 or x by y equal to 0. Okay, we can write down x equal to 0 or we can write down x minus y equal to 0. That means if the multiplication of these two terms is equal to 0, then each of the term may be equal to 0. Okay, or this one equal to 0. So we can write down like this. We can write down like this, as we can write down now it's 1 by a plus 1 by b plus 1 by c is equal to 0, right? Or we can write down, or this one equal to 0, that means 1 by a minus 1 by b whole square plus 1 by b minus 1 by c whole square plus 1 by c minus 1 by a whole square, this one equal to 0. Okay, this term equal to 0 or this term equal to 0, you can write down. from this equation. Okay, now in the left side we have what? We have, my dear students, 1 by a plus 1 by b plus 1 by c. We add these three. The LCM of this denominator will be a, b, c. Okay, the LCM of a, b and c will be abc, and we will divide this ABC by A, we will get BC, and BC will multiply by 1, we will get BC as our numerator, plus we will divide now for the second, we will divide now ABC by B, we will get CA. CA will multiply with 1, we will get CA, plus ABC will divide by C, we will get AB, okay, and AB will multiply by 1, it will be AB, that is equal to 0. Implies that we can write down, we can transfer this ABC in the right side, we will have BC plus CA plus AB equal to 0. Okay. Now look, my dear students, already first part is proved. First part is BC plus CA plus AB equal to 0. Already we have proved this one. Now we need to prove A is equal to B is equal to C. We will prove this one from the another relation. Another relation is what we have got here. Another relation is this one is square plus this one is square plus this one is square equal to 0. If, my dear students, if the sum of the square is 0, if the sum of the square is 0, then each and every square term will also be 0. I mean that suppose x square plus y square plus z square equal to 0. The sum of the square terms is 0. This means that each and every term, that means x square is equal to 0, y square is also equal to 0, z square is also equal to 0. Okay, it must be like this relationship. From this relationship we can write down, look, my dear students, suppose this is x square plus y square plus z square, that means all the sum of the square term is 0. So we can write down all the square term is also be 0. So write down here the sum of the squares. Here the sum of the squares is equal to 0. So each and every square term is also be 0. That is we can write down this one equal to 0, that means 1 by a minus 1 by b, that's equal to 0. Okay, and we can write down 1 by b minus 1 by c equal to 0. Okay, 1 by a minus 1 by b equal to 0. Why? Because the square term is 0. Okay, and now both of the side, if we get square root, okay, then we will get 1 by a minus 1 by b equal to 0. That means in the next line we can write down, okay, this one, do this line again. Okay, the square term is equal to 0, so we can write down 1 by a minus 1 by b equal to 0 by square root in the both side. Okay, implies that 1 by b minus 1 by c is equal to 0 by squaring root in the both side. I haven't write down this one. Okay, you can write down this one also. I no need this one because we need this one, because from these two relationship we can prove a equal to b is equal to c. Look, my dear students, it's very easy and very simple. First of all, we will transfer this one into right side. If we transfer this term into the right side, we will get in the left side 1 by a, that's equal to 1 by b, because if we transfer 1 by b in the right side, it will take a plus sign. Why? 1 by b had minus sign before, that's why it will take a plus sign. Okay, and in the right side we will have also like this 1 by b equal to 1 by c, because minus 1 by c we can transfer in the right side, it will take a positive sign, 1 by c will take a positive sign. Now by cross multiplication we can write down a is equal to b. Okay, and here also by cross multiplication we can write down b is equal to c, b into 1 b, c into 1 c. So we have got, my dear students, a equal to b and b equal to c. So we can write down, therefore a is equal to b is equal to c. Sure. If you write down the note in the right side, that means by cross multiplication, it will be very fruitful for you. Okay, if you don't write down the one, it will also be okay. I think, dear students, you have understood how to solve this question. Okay, keep practicing more and more at home. Stay safe. See you again. Till then, Allah Hafiz.